Hello viewers, and today I'm trying to make an experiment. So apart from just Nifty and Bank Nifty daily, we will now go on stocks by stocks analysis as well. Anyhow, so today in front of us right now is Tata Steel. Why have they chosen the stock? Well, the structure seems amazing. Now multiple points to look at. Number one, first important thing, this is a weekly chart, right? Okay, so why it is important? So here this orange colored candle, that is red candle, if you see, bearish candle, today the stock closed above this candle. So after 5 weeks the stock has successfully managed to cross the marks of 350 roughly, right? And it has closed above the same. So that is important one. Second, this particular zone, right, it has consolidated in this zone. Okay, so here if you can connect the dots, this particular zone was actually a hurdle for the stock, and the stock managed to close above it successfully now. And last important thing, the stock fallen, made kind of double bottom, consolidated, and now trying to give a close above this. So all this together makes a very healthy combo. Now what should ideally one do? Of course, looking at these points, it's not a short, that is clear. What can be done? So now important point to note that as long as the stock is about 326 mark, okay, 326 330 you can say, as long as stock is trading above these zones, the stock has full on potential to not just reach 375 mark, which we have marked here, but also the zone of 400 as well. So I looking at positional view, I am bullish on this stock as long as important condition, as long as it's above 326 mark. I'm bullish on this counter for positional 400 zones as well in Tata Steel. So now why Tata Steel is important, and how can I take benefit in the other stock of the same analysis? Well, for that you can stay connected with me on Insta. I will post the other steel stocks there, and that you can have a look. Anyways, in case if you still have any stocks that they need a thorough analysis, or you feel they are worthy of the analysis, you can post in the comment box, and do feel free to comment as well. Anyhow.